Z unit. Yeah, so I thought maybe I'd change it up a bit, you know, get the Z going. I had a Nismo Z before, and I guess I didn't really get used to it. So this is my second try going for a 370Z. This one's a touring edition, so it's more about just kind of like a daily driver. It's not necessarily a daily driver, but it's more of a, what do you call it? A car to drive to like Vegas or Frisco or something like that. So it's all good, you know? I mean, I think I'm getting the hang of it. There's not that much room, but you know, I didn't really want to fix it up too much. I just wanted to do some mild things to it.
And we found this mural here just by passing by, and it's cool.
My plan for this car is really just to get like a daily driver. You know, I know it's a two-seater, but my other car is already turbocharged and modified to the max, so I wanted a car that was going to be reliable but still had some style in it, so this is what I chose. I had a Nismo before, but you know, I had to sell that car because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. But for this one, I might keep it for a little bit longer. As a tuner, I want to make sure that I get a car that has style, that can be modified, but yet something that I can now drive, you know, on a daily basis, because my lifestyle has changed. So I don't want something that always breaks down, you know. Having more than one car is obviously ideal. That's why I have the modified FRS to play with, and now the Z, which is more non-modified, is more for daily driving. But as you can see, I just did a few little things to it. This is a 09 with a 2016 bumper in the front, so it kind of gives it that updated look, if you will. And if you look at the wheels and tires also, well, the wheels has like spacers on it, about an inch spacers to make it stand out and just kind of give it that look. It still has, you know, suspension and lowering springs and all that good stuff. As you can see with the back, I just have a little carbon fiber flavor on it. You know, not too much, but it's just a little something there to make it look all right. You know what I mean? So, but nothing fancy, you know, because I need this as a daily driver, as I mentioned before. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just, you know, as a tuner, I always want a car that I could modify, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I would modify it. I'm transitioning into something more like that I could drive every day, you know. But as a tuner, I guess I still like to fix up cars. But so this is what I have right now. Yeah. So it's been about, I'd say it's been about a few years already, since 2013, since I first got the FRS and I started fixing up that car. Yeah, I think now it's all about just maintaining what I got and simmering down, you know. Got other responsibilities now, so yeah. Not really looking to modify too much anymore. I still might, but right now it's just all about, you know, leaving the FRS the way it is and driving the Z the way it is.